Hi everyone. So today we are going to work on our word work lesson. So the two important principles or the two important things that we need to remember as we are doing this lesson is look at the first part and the last part of a word to read the word. And use parts of words you know to read an unknown word. So we are going to work on what's called onset and rhymes. So onset just means it's at the beginning of the word, and rhyme means that it's at the end of the word. All right, so let me go ahead and share my camera. Hopefully it's plugged in. If not, we'll just plug it in real quick. It's not, so we'll just plug it in real quick. There we go. All right, so here is our list of words for today's lesson. 3, small, plant, slam. All right, so go ahead and read those words out loud. I'll give you a couple of seconds to read those words out loud. Okay, so now I want you guys to try and help me find the word that ends in A-N-T or ants. So what word ends in A-N-T? What word ends in A-N-T? All right, hopefully you said plant. Plant ends in A-N-T. So that would be the rhyme. So now I'm going to think, what does the word plant start with? What does the word plant start with? So I'm going to think. I can see that it starts with P-L and ends in A-N-T. So plant. So if I put those together, I get plant. So now I see the P-L in plant and the A-N-T-E. Let me make that line thicker. Okay. So now I want you guys to go ahead and list off some other words that start with PL, like plants. All right, so maybe you said play, maybe you said playground, maybe you said place. All right, so let's go ahead and think of a word. Let's look at 3. So what is the beginning part of 3? What is the beginning of 3? We have T-H-R. Okay, so I have T-H-R as my onset for 3. So now I want you to go ahead and think of some words that begin in T-H-R. All right, so maybe you said thrilled or throat or throne, or maybe you used throw. All right, so let's move on to slam. All right, what begins with slam, or what is the beginning part of slam? What is that beginning part of slam? All right, hopefully you said SL. So SL. Slam. All right, so go ahead and take a couple of seconds and come up with some words that start with SL. Okay, so maybe you came up with sleaze, like a sleaze ball, or a slice of pie, or if something is sleek, like maybe your hair's sleek, or maybe you came up with sly, like a character could be sly. All right, so let's go ahead and look at small. We're going to change it up for small. I want you to go ahead and try and find the ending to small. All right, and hopefully you chose ALL for the ending of small. Okay, so let's come up with some words that end in all. I'll give you a couple seconds to think. Okay, maybe you came up with mall or tall or I think that's all I can come up with mall and tall. Small. All right, so today, after you read this, you are going to take a short 5-question quiz, and it'll ask you to pick the words that have either the same beginning or ending sound.